Today we are going to see the homogeneous recurrence relation. In this, solve the recurrence relation s of n minus 3 into s of n minus 1 minus 4 into s of n minus 2 is equal to 4 power n. Here this is a non-homogeneous recurrence relation because in the right hand side we have the term a power n. If it is in the form of a power n or linear equation or quadratic equation, then we can say that it is a non-homogeneous. If the right hand side is equal to 0, then it is called homogeneous recurrence relation. The recurrence relation can be written as, here this s of n is written as an, minus 3 into s of n minus 1 is written as an minus 1, minus 4 into s of n minus 2 is minus 4 into an minus 2 is equal to 4 power n, which is a non-homogeneous recurrence relation. Now, the associated homogeneous recurrence relation is an minus 3 an minus 1 minus 4 an minus 2 is equal to 0. We are omitting the right hand side. When put the right hand side equal to 0, it is a associated homogeneous recurrence relation. Here replace an by r power n. Therefore, r power n minus 3 r power n minus 1 minus 4 r power n minus 2 is equal to 0. Replace an by r power an minus 1 by r power n minus 1, an minus 2 by r power n minus 2. Take r power n outside, we have 1 minus 3 by r minus 4 by r square is equal to 0. Bring r power n to the right hand side, it is 0. Therefore, the LCM r square multiplied by r square minus here multiplied by r minus 4 is equal to 0. It implies r square minus 3r minus 4 equal to 0 is a characteristic equation. Find the roots. Finding the roots of the characteristic equation. Here r minus 1 and 3. Put r square minus r plus 3r minus 4 is equal to 0. Here plus r. Here this is minus 4r plus r. Minus 4r plus r. Therefore, take r outside, r plus 1 minus 4 outside, r plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, r minus 4 into r plus 1 equal to 0. R equal to minus 1 comma 4 is the roots. The roots are real and unequal. Therefore, the solution is SNH. SNH is the associated homogeneous solution for the homogeneous recurrence relation. Alpha 1 r1 power n plus alpha 2 r2 power n. This is equal to alpha 1. Here r equal to minus 1 power n, alpha 2 4 power n. Therefore, this is Sn power h is the solution for associated homogeneous recurrence relation. To find the particular solution, the RHS of given relation, is 4 power n, that is in the form of a power n, that is a power n form. The base of RHS is 4. The base of the RHS is equal to 4, as 4 is a root of the characteristic equation, root of the characteristic equation. The solution is of the form Cn into 4 power n, that is constant n into a power n form. The solution must be in the form of Cn into 4 power n. Here, when the base of RHS is as 4 is a root of the characteristic equation. The base of RHS is a root of the characteristic equation, means the base of RHS is a root of the characteristic equation, means the solution of the form is Cn 4 power n, or in the form of Cn a power n. Here a is the base of the RHS. If 4 is not a root of the characteristic equation, it is the solution is in the form C a power n, or we can write it as C4 power n. Once again I repeat, the RHS of the given relation is 4 power n. The base of the RHS is 4. The base of the right hand side is 4. 4 power n. The base is equal to 4. As 4 is a root of the characteristic equation, the root of the characteristic equation is same as the base of the right hand side. Means the roots of the characteristic equation and base of the right hand side are equal, means the solution is of the form Cn into 4 power n. Here 4 is the root or right hand side, base of the right hand side, or we can write it as Cn a power n. A is the base of the right hand side. If the root is not a base of the right hand side, here 4 is not a root of the characteristic equation, or the roots of the characteristic equation is not a base of the right hand side, means the solution is C a power n, C into a power n. That is C here, base is equal to 4, therefore C4 power n. Okay, then now it is substituted here. Substitute the solution. Substituting Cn into 4 power n in the place of a power n in the problem. We have problem is an minus 3an minus 1 minus 4an minus 2. In the place of an we have Cn 4 power n minus 3 into an minus 1. In the place of an minus 1, C into n minus 1 4 power n minus 1 minus 4 into an minus 2. An minus 2 means C of n minus 2 4 power n minus 2. Right hand side is 4 power n. Now take 4 power n minus 2 outside. Here this is the minimum, therefore take 4 power n minus 2 outside. Cn into remaining 4 square minus 3 into Cn minus 1. Here 4 power n minus 2 is taken outside, remaining 4 minus 4 into Cn minus 2. Already 4 power n minus 2 is taken outside. Here 4 power n minus 2 into 4 square. This is nothing but 4 power n. Therefore cancelling 4 power n minus 2, we have remaining 4 square is 16 Cn minus 3 into 4 12 Cn minus of minus plus 12c minus here 4cn plus 8c equal to 16. Therefore 16cn minus 12cn minus 4cn cancel. 12c minus plus 8c, this is 20c is equal to 16. C is equal to 16 by 20 equal to 0.8, or we can write it as 4 by 5. This is C. Therefore the particular solution is a n power p is equal to c n into 4 power n. This is already assumed. Therefore a n power p is equal to c is replaced 0.8 n into 4 power n. Now the general solution is an equal to an h associated solution of the associated homogeneous recurrence relation and the particular solution, which is equal to associated homogeneous recurrence relation. Solution is alpha 1 minus 1 power n plus alpha 2 into four power n plus 0.8 n 4 power. This is an. Is the solution for the non-homogeneous recurrence relation.